Am I the a-hole for asking my fiance to get rid of her cat before we move in together? My fiance got a cat a year before we met. She credits this cat with keeping her alive. Before she met me, she allowed this cat to do whatever it wanted. No boundaries, no rules. So needless to say, this cat walks all over counters, sinks, and does whatever she wants. I historically cannot stand animals. Any animals, wild or domestic. I'm known for this. Who would be proud to be known for this? Okay, let me finish. I initially asked her to get rid of the cat when we first started dating and she agreed. I took it back after I saw how much the cat meant to her, but now I regret that so much. This cat has started intentionally pooping in random places after I get her off of the counters and beds. She hisses at me anytime my fiance isn't around. Her hair is all over. And to be completely honest, my fiance isn't the most responsible cat owner. I have to stay on top of her about keeping the cat clean. She only cleans the litter box out maybe once or twice a week and she dumps it in the kitchen trash can. We're on the cusp of getting our first official place together, and I want this cat gone. I honestly cannot imagine paying to live somewhere with this cat. I want to 100% enjoy whatever living space I have to pay to live in, and that is not happening with this cat. I don't want my fiance to resent me, but this is getting to the point where it's a deal breaker. I refuse to be miserable in my own house. So am I the a-hole for telling my fiance to get rid of her cat? The amount of passionate hate that this guy has for all animals is crazy to me. Like, I get it, some animals might not be your favorites, or, you might not like animals in general, but like, he just hates them. That's crazy. Anyways, about the story. I feel like that is just so crazy that you could get engaged to somebody if you hate their animal that much. Honestly, I think it's weird for both of them because I have no idea why she was okay with initially saying that she would get rid of her cat for him. They should have realized that they probably weren't the best match right off the bat when they had the problem with the cat. But then they decided to get engaged anyways. I swear, people make the weirdest decisions sometimes. For me, this one is really tough because he did tell her right from the beginning how much he hated cats. So she should have kind of figured it out from there. But then the fact that he decided to quote unquote let her keep her cat and regretted that decision later, I mean, he's an asshole. Don't propose to a girl if you can't accept her animals with her. I mean, he stated how much he knew this cat meant to her. So if he really loves her, then he should deal with her cat. That's my opinion. So I can't go too high on the asshole rating only because he did tell her how he felt about the cat from the beginning. So for him, I'm gonna say 7 out of 10. I want to go higher, I really do, because he seems like an asshole just based off of the story. And I've always known cats to be extremely good judges of character. So maybe there's a reason why that cat doesn't like him. So you guys let me know in the comments what a-hole rating you would give this guy on a scale of 1 to 10. Also guys, here's another one of these jars that I made with my new mold. Guys, this mold, I'm literally obsessed with it. I really can't wait till I have more time to really work with it. But I made a couple of really pretty like galaxy sparkly blue colors to mix into this mold, and it's just so sparkly, so pretty. I really wish I would have put lights in it. As you can see, the end results with the lights just look so pretty. But with or without lights, I just love this sparkly blue color. And it looks adorable with my pink pearls. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this jar and give me some ideas of what colors I should use, because I definitely want to work with this jar more, but I'm just so busy right now. So let me know what colors you would like to see. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.